Good morning again, my chemistry 20s. So here's the deal. I'm still working along in the molecular elements and compounds notes guide. I'm on question 2, and here we're looking at ions. Now here's an additional rule that we have to do for ions. So if you have a positive charge, then that means that you have to subtract an electron for each positive from your total number of valence electrons. If your ion is a negative charge, then you are going to add an electron for each negative. So let's try one together. Here we have the hydrogen ion, and you guys should know that that is H plus ion, right? H plus. And so that means that there is one hydrogen, and because it is a positive charge, we have to subtract one electron. So each hydrogen, we know, has just one valence electron. And now if we are subtracting one valence electron, 1 minus 1 is 0. There's 0 electrons in this diagram. So how do we draw this diagram? Well, we put a giant bracket like this, H, and then we are going to have the positive charge on the outside. There you go. That's a hydrogen ion. There's no electrons on it. Okay. Let's try hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion, we know we look up in our polyatomic table, OH minus. It is an anion. So what's the deal? Well, we have one oxygen atom plus there is one hydrogen atom, and there's an electron because there is a negative charge. So I'm adding one electron because of that negative charge. So what does that mean? Well, each oxygen, he's group 16, he's going to have 6 electrons in his outer valence energy level. Plus, each hydrogen has 1 electron. He is in group 1. Has 1 valence electron, and now I'm going to add, to account for this negative charge, 1 electron. So how many does that add up? Well, let's take a look. 6 and 1 and 1, 8 electrons in total in my diagram. Now I'm going to follow the rules as I did before. Oxygen, I know, is group 16, and he has 2 lone pairs, 2 bonding electrons. Hydrogen has only 1 electron. So who's the central atom? This guy. Oxygen is the central atom because he can make the most bonds. Right? He can make 2 bonds. He's got 2 bonding electrons. So he's going to be my central. There we go. There's my central atom. Now I'm going to make a bond. Here's my 2 dots. That tells me it's a bond to hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen has got a full peripheral. He's the peripheral atom. His octet is full. So now let's fill up oxygen. Okay, so now oxygen has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we need to put our giant bracket around it. And what charge? Well, this guy has got a negative ion charge. So there is your Lewis dot diagram. What if you're doing a structural diagram? Well, same, the giant bracket, O. This time, those 2 dots is a solid line that is showing a bond, a chemical bond, and then put your negative ion charge on the outside. Okay, so you guys can finish up the questions assigned in this booklet and in the practice problems, and our next video will be on Vesper Notes Guide. Again, you can email me, michelle.ledeen@ghsd75.ca, and you can put questions up on our Google Stream. Good luck. Have at her. Talk later.